Yeah, this is totally a mess, and not only did he crush it, looks like he broke it. Another one of them, Curtis, what'd you get me into? But here's an outside look. Shoot. I don't know if it's going to be long enough for me to even fix it. I might be able to make it work. See if I could kind of bend it back and make it workable. Curtis, you owe me. And these are waterlogged, so they're really heavy because there's holes in them now. But oh, I'm bringing mud in right now. I think this could work. I just smashed it down a little more in that crooked spot, and now it's running, so it might still work. Just depends if I could get it firm enough where we're not going to squish it anymore. And that's where when you pack it along the sides of it like this, that helps hold it in place. Starting to run out of dry dirt. I don't want a huge hole here. I'll have to grade it a little bit when I'm done. Let's try this blade here. I need more dirt that way. Not half bad. I can see my problem is that backside. See that pipe moving a little bit yet. See, we lost the water flow again. Alright, so I'm going to run across it here this time. It's stopped up again, but I'm hopeful. It's just not a lot of water coming right now, so I'm hopeful once I dig back in by hand, I'll open it up again. So that's my hope, but let's grade it across here and just see if I can open it back up, and then we'll probably just leave it dry. All right, now the final test. We'll see if it stayed open or not. Let's see what we got going on here. Where are you, pipe? There it is, right there. I ended up shoving this pipe farther down than I wanted because it was really soft from Curtis messing around in here with the tractor. But we'll see what's gonna happen here. We've got water movement, which is a start. Now let's check the other side. Oh crud, this one's covered too. Oh, it's gonna be fun finding it. Well, where's a shovel when you need it? Ah, shucks. Alright, let's just stay there. The longer I can't open it, the more it's gonna find my holes in the pipe. Oh, come on, man. Where's the shovel when you need it? Ah, plan B. Daggone it. Let's try the excavator. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. This is where all the excavators have it a lot easier. When you ain't solo. Just to have a spotter. So I absolutely can't find the end of that pipe. Jamming sticks down it all, I can't find it. So if I had a spotter, I can kind of really go easy to try to uncover it without ripping it up if I accidentally hit it. And you can't feel it. I mean, the machine's so strong, and it's a plastic pipe. I mean, you can't feel it. So. Curtis will show up right now and see what's going on, but I know he's got a lot going on. He's doing a picnic today. See, I mean, unless you actually see that pipe, I won't even know if I got a hold of it. And the sad part is I'm pretty sure it's working. Try it by hand. Oh. All right, we got movement again. This is a very bipolar culvert project. On again, off again. All right, now it's running. I cleaned it out a little bit better. You can see we got a decent flow. Hopefully that'll drain this side down a couple inches. But either way, we're plenty high. So stay tuned. So I was going to open this hole and daylight it, but I figured I know he wants some watering holes, so this will probably fill up. So I'm compacting it the best I can here on the bottom and the edges. So this will probably turn into a little watering hole if I get it sealed enough. But I don't think I'm going to make it over to pull